There's a lot to consider when purchasing a walk-in tub. The biggest question always is, am I getting a fair price? When dealing with the large corporate walk-in tub manufacturers, you'll be dealing with an operator at a large impersonal call center who will first try to convince you to let someone called a safety specialist into your home. At that point, they will try to get you to spend as much money as you possibly can, sometimes even more. At Ella's Bubbles, we save you money because we don't spend millions on advertising. We don't operate a call center. We don't have national in-home sales teams, and we don't pay private contractors. We'll never try to upsell you on an installation package either. And when you buy an Ella walk-in tub, you are free to choose your own installer. Or, if you prefer, we can suggest a qualified installer from our wide national network. Our efficient social media advertising campaigns and our low-overhead streamlined operations saves you thousands of dollars. You're getting a far better tub with more luxury features at a far better price. At Ella's Bubbles, we're transparent about our pricing right away. Our tubs are clearly priced, and that price won't change depending on your economic status, your budget, or simply whether or not you're ready to buy. So what should you look for when shopping for a walk-in tub? Well, ask questions like, is the tub designed, assembled, and tested in the USA? Can I choose my own installer to save money? Will the tub fill quickly? Will the tub drain quickly? Will I get a lifetime warranty on all components? And of course, what will it all cost? When you contact us at Ella's Bubbles, all of these questions will be answered clearly and simply. Since we're a family-run business based in Chicago, compared to other larger corporate manufacturers, we have a far more streamlined, more personal operation. And every tub is designed, assembled, jetted, and tested right here in Chicago. We have many different models, shapes, and sizes to choose from. We offer compact, smaller tubs to roomy, luxurious tubs. We have several models of 2-seat walk-in tubs and 5 versions of wheelchair-accessible walk-in tubs. And only Ella's Bubbles offers the largest single-seat walk-in tub on the planet, the Shack. And all come with a wide variety of air and hydro jetting options. It's almost like getting to custom design your very own walk-in tub. And our proprietary 4-port oversized dual drain system will assure you that your tub will drain quickly and efficiently. Ella's has the fastest gravity-driven drain system in the industry. An average-size walk-in tub from Ella's Bubbles will drain in approximately 80 seconds under ideal drain conditions. Go to ellasbubbles.com and see some of the thousands of satisfied customers. Don't make a mistake that'll end up costing you thousands of extra dollars. Ella's Bubbles walk-in tubs are the most affordable, most innovative, and highest quality luxury acrylic walk-in tubs in the industry.